Alright, you guys, I am back in Dillard's and a look at all this beauty. I know you could get the entire set, but check this out. Let me pan out just so we can see more. There we go. So if you want the 10 piece, 2,160 for that. I love it. I love how everything's around the fireplace too. That's like my favorite area for stuff like that. These are so beautiful. Silent night. More nativity scene. They do have it in gold down here. Kind of white. They're not bad. This one right here, and this is like really cute too. The Christmas pageant. Jolly good fella. Oh, look. Owl wearing Hannah set. Here's another one. Christmas 2024. $16. White woodland owl with a scarf. These are really cute. I feel like this would make a great gift for somebody though. Remember how I was talking about girlfriend, boyfriend type of thing? Like depending how long you've been together. I'm gonna give this to my coworker. Because she was asking me. I'm like, perfect. Okay, we have really cute stockings here. These little mini ones, right? And you guys, I do love these guys. I know they could be scary. $89. I don't think they have the snowman, but the snowman I did like. But I like that guy over here. He's just so funny, right? They're $130, and one that kind of looks a little scary. This is $100, but I feel like they're really cool looking in my opinion. Here's the Nutcracker one. I believe the one I wanted is sold out. Oh gosh. But they're just like, I love them. Sorry, guy. Oh, I like this elf. I like his nose shape. And I didn't know this Santa was animated. He is $160. That's actually quite nice. It's cool. That Nutcracker in the back is $700.
Does Eli ever see it?
Okay, they have the peanut one. School pageant. This one we just saw. And the canine one. Hey, they should have incorporated a German Shepherd.
Yeah. They didn't exist back then. That would have been cooler. Yeah, the popular ones.
These are 22. And here we have all your Jim Shore. Look at that Disney cupcake and cookie. There's the elf. Let me turn on my light. Oh, I like the TV. That's actually really cool. Rudolph, Snoopy, and we have these Santas down here. Let me see how much they are. I could tell you guys.
Here comes the part.
$90. And look at this large one. This one's actually kind of cool looking. Kind of like this Nutcracker in the back. This is a 68.
You can't really hear it.
Okay. This is $225 right here. Merry Christmas will be $70. $295 for this Santa in the back. Then we have this red one with the tray. $80. And look at that guy. I don't see a price on him. $40. This is actually really, really nice. 130. I'm kind of afraid. Tell me.
No, they're not priced.
No price. This is cute.
I see it down here. It's on the box itself. It's $100.
100. This one is 100. 14. And we got Santa. I think this is a cookie jar. This is kind of cool. I like that, babe. This cookie jar. He is adorable. Oh, what fell on the floor? Oh, nothing. He is adorable. Going on now. It looks like they're 30% off. I'll find out. He is... There's no price on him. But they do have the Grinch. Another Grinch cookie jar. More mugs right here. Okay, these we see all the time in Home Goods. How much? How much is this set? Let me find out. I don't see a price, but they have something really similar. Dish and a little Grinch ornament. These are $39.99, so they're 40. Let me walk down here, you guys. Okay, they do have. Look, they're married. This will make a great gift, actually. These are 40. I feel like all of them are 40. And lovely crystal. Here's more Minnie. They got Mickey down there, Simba, and what is his name? Zazu, Little Mermaid, Winnie the Pooh, the castle, rocking horses. I did find a Chewy one, which is kind of interesting. This is 40, yeah. Most of these are $40. And he looks somewhat decent, and he has a happy face. He doesn't look scary.
Yeah.
And his satchel is Christmas theme. Christmas theme with, looks like, is that peppermint or is that like something else?
It's like peppermint, yeah. I kind of look at radiation symbols.
And there's more Santas right here. I'm going to show you another ornament. Let me see. Oh, the Stormtrooper. That's funny. And again, that's $40. It looks like 22. You got the butter knife included. This one's going to be 80. That's actually nice. Oh, I kind of feeling the blue plate though. Let me walk down here. Look at the Santa one. Do I like this one? I do like the Nutcracker one though. By Southern Living. These are 16. Very similar to the ones in Home Goods as well. Yeah. Okay, and over here, you guys, you know my favorite is mud pie. Mud pie, every now and then you could find it in discount stores, but some of it does look the same from the previous year. The Santa Bowl's 58. I don't remember it though, but it's really cute. Stirring Not Even a Mouse. Oh, 'Twas the Night Before Christmas. That is cute. That's cute. I do like this gingerbread clear platter. I love it. Milk for Santa. They have the winking plate. That one is back. Oh, it comes with the spoon too? Okay. Muffin like the magic of Christmas. That is funny. The deer is back. Chocolate and give me sugar. That's cute, right? 22 bucks. That's why I love this stuff. I love the little things on it. I know people say it's like Ray Danish, but no. Okay, let me walk over here. Spread holiday cheer. Let me see how much. This one would be. That is $40. Joy to the World. Merry Christmas right here. Joy to the world. These are like little angels. They are gonna be Stone Mountain Pocket Angel. These are $8. And they have a bird. A cardinal will be an endless reminder that a loved one is always with you. I kind of like the pocket angel. That's kind of cool. Okay, I'm just kind of scanned. I want to pick everything up. And we have this side over here, the Nutcracker theme. Again, with the clear plate in the back. I do like that. And all this fun stuff. Oh my gosh. Did they put out their Grinch gingerbread? I didn't see it this year.
I don't know.
They normally have a big gingerbread display. Alright you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here in Dillard's. Please stay safe and I will see all of you in the next one. Yeah, these things. But they didn't have no gingerbread, which I was kind of surprised. Normally they do have a big gingerbread village.